Today, guys, we're gonna play MMV for the first time, and you know why we're similar to the airlines one? Because I just copied and even his knife. No, my brother. Sorry. Nasa sa labas eh. Ba't ka umutot? Lalo naman yung utot ko. Weh, gusto mo lang ako anahin eh. Ah. I'm innocent. I was mad. Ano ba? Ba't ako hininga mo? Okay. Um. To what? What did you say? What did you say? Holy, that was a mistake. Misclick. I mean, that means he missed. And I care if you think I'm lying. Okay. Okay. Oh. Ano yan? Ano? Oh my gosh, go out of the way. Hey! Hamdam. Siguro yung magsingong daw. Kalaw. Singong daw. Lalaw. Thanks for escaping. Oh, oops. Oh no, they're targeting me. Ow! Why is she targeting me? Hey, ako nga, kaya ko yan. Kaya ko. Ano yan eh. Ito yung parang sa yung tubig sa yung mask. Ito yun eh. Kasi mo pa. Ba't ba extra nito ah? Ayaro ko muna. Ha? Ha? Yun. Ako na. Hoy, Mercy, sundan mo ako. Ano? Ako na. Kung maingay. No way. Eureka. Ayun. Oh, balik mo na doon. Tama, wala. Ha? Yun na lang yan, no? Uy. Natanggal na. Natanggal ko nga lang eh. Pero kita tanggal ko. Mapagalit siya ni mama. Pagdating na na siya. Kaya naman yan, sabi ko maakin na. Ayusin ko na lang. Basic lang naman yun eh. Di ba may hangin? Tama po konti. Ha? Uy, ano ba yan? Natanggal na naman eh. Ang tigas. I've been AFK. Oh. Oh, balik mo na doon. Wag mo na sirain ulit ha. Balik mo na doon. Okay. We brother just remove everything. And I fix it, you know. And you said, thank you. My heart is beating so fast. She feels pain. No! Bala ka. Ikaw magaling. Ito, ipapasok mo ng YouTube. Nag-start na ano dyan. Taguin kita. Taguin kita. Pinky up. Pinky up. Ay, dito muna yan. Pinky up. Sabihin niyo sa chat. Ay, nagsabi na. Ay, siya pala yung sheriff eh. At mag-joke eh. Using hacks. Ha? Paano ano ko doon? Meron ulit. Yung dalawa. Versus body. Kain ko pa. Wait lang. Likod mo! Karo sa likod mo eh. Hijok yan eh. Hijok na niya. Oh! Sa bathroom, sa likod mo. Can't go to bed. Ano ba din? Bastos ka. Then nobody I say. Yun sa painting na yan. That was basic. Bro, you tried to joke me na, bro. Okay. Hindi na siya siguro ginabi nila. Sabi nila? Natakot lang sila. You're a girl. Takis, hindi ako yan. In my bro, you said me. Nag-aaway lang sila. Ako nga kanina, dinaksik ko lang babae. What the? Kanina nga din, dinaksik ko lang babae. Sinabi niya sa akin, tsaka sabi niya, I never seen Alana's toxic love. Sabi ko, ha? Di wala akong sinabi. Tsaka ko siya ulit toxic. What? Drink. Never and nobody. Ibalik mo na doon! 2 shush away. Balik mo na. Akin na yan. Ay, si An. Ay, space ba ano? Time 2 shush away. Oh! Sorry ka? Hindi nyo nakita? Ah! Alaki na yun. Balik mo na doon. Laki na. My advice way bigger because this guy ran. Dang! This is a dang. Bro just got cooked when I murdered. Running for her life. And why is she running? But she have a gun. She just shoot me. But I just throw. She walks like nothing is happening. She forgot the word can throw. Beep. Ah! I'm dead. I'm dead today. And they shot her multiple times. And I found the hospital every week. I finally found it. And ding, 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 ding. I win. At least I'm a pro at showing or juking. But I didn't win as Ice Spice because her toys big. And she didn't even saw it. The girl on the wall. Let me show you a secret. Wee. Bong. Look at the side and you will die. Bang boy, I'll be bang. Oh. Let me go outside. Are you following? I'm following kill you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she's mad. Not today. You must light here until the bird notice I'm here. If the gun's down, I get. If the gun is down, if the gun is still not down, I will still light until she knows this. Or if the gun drop, I'm gonna go and get it. We go. Oh, ha ha. Pinky up, down. Pinky up, up. Pinky up. To the ceiling. Up to the ceiling. We know for the delicious one. 3 hidden secrets in MM2. 3 hidden secrets and 2 hidden secrets. Hey! I'm innocent. I'ma die. And I'm gonna say there's a secret. 2 secrets in MM Bay. I mean MM2. I think MM2. Look. Did you see that? Bye bye. To the video. Bye bye. Boop, boop.